Hi, today we are going to learn about solving mixture problems. Let's look at a problem. Solve. How many pounds of coffee worth $3 a pound should be mixed with 30 pounds of coffee worth $2.80 a pound to produce a mixture worth $2.85 a pound? So we need to find how many pounds of coffee should be mixed with 30 pounds of coffee. So let us say X pounds of coffee worth $3 should be mixed with 30 pounds of coffee worth $2.80 a pound to produce the mixture worth $2.85 a pound. So let's say let X pounds of coffee worth $3 a pound be mixed. Now whenever we are solving mixture problems, we will calculate the total which we are mixing and equate it to what we get as the total mixture. So now X pounds of coffee worth $3 a pound means 3 times X should be the quantity plus 30 pounds of coffee worth $2.80 a pound. So 30 times 2.80 I should have divided by my total mixture becomes X pounds plus 30 pounds. So X plus 30, and this should be equal to $2.85 a pound. So I need to solve this equation in order to get our answer. So this is equal to 3x plus 30 times 2.80 becomes 84, which is equal to 2.85 times x plus 30. So we'll distribute 2.85 inside the parentheses. So 3x plus 84 is equal to 2.85x plus 2.85 times 30 becomes 85.5. Subtracting 84 both sides, I get 3x is equal to 2.85x plus 1.5. Subtracting 2.85x both sides, so 3x minus 2.85x becomes 0.15x is equal to 1.5. Dividing by 0.15 both sides, we get x as 10. So we can say 10 pounds of coffee should be mixed with 30 pounds of coffee in order to produce the mixture worth $2.85 a pound. So B 10 pounds is the answer. Next problem. Solve. A gas station owner has 90 gallons of gasoline worth $1.70 per gallon and some worth $2.30 per gallon. How many gallons of the $2.30 brand must the owner mix in order to produce gasoline that costs $1.90 per gallon? So as we did in the previous question, let us assume the owner mixes X gallons of gasoline. Let X gallons of the $2.30 brand be mixed in order to produce the mixture. So according to the given question, we should have times 1.70 plus x times 2.30 divided by the total mixture becomes 90 plus x, and this should equal 1.90 per gallon. So let's solve this. 90 times 1.70 becomes 153 plus 2.30x is equal to 1.90 times 90 plus x. 153 plus 2.30x is equal to 1.90 times 90 becomes 171 plus 1.90x. Subtracting 153 both sides. 2.30x is equal to 18 plus 1.90x. Subtracting 1.90x both sides. So we can say 0.40x is equal to 18. Dividing by 0.40 both sides. This implies x is equal to 45 gallons. So 45 gallons of the $2.30 brand should be mixed with 95 gallons of gasoline worth $1.70 per gallon to get the mixture that costs $1.90 per gallon. So A, 45 gallons is the answer. Next problem. Solve. A certain liquid is 98% water. Some of the water evaporates, leaving a liquid that is 93% water. How much of the water evaporated? Let's say X water evaporated. So, taking evaporated water as X units, and according to the given question, we should have 98 minus X over 100 minus X, which will be equal to 93%. Since X units of water is evaporating from 98 units and X units is also evaporating from the total solution, that's 100 units we have taken, and which is equal to 93%. So let's cross multiply to solve. 9800 minus 100x will be equal to 9300 minus 93x. Adding 100x both sides. 9800 should be equal to 9300 plus 7x. Subtracting 9300 both sides. 500 is equal to 7x. Dividing by 7. This implies x is equal to 500 by 7 units. Now, this means that 500 by 7 units of water evaporated. Total units of water were 98. So let us divide this by 98. So water evaporated is equal to 500 over 7 divided by 98, which is equal to 500 over 7 times 98, which is equal to 500 over 686. 7 times 8 is. And changing this to percent, let me multiply with 100%. I'll get 50,000 over 686%, which is equal to 72.89% approximately, which is the answer in the B part. I hope you can practice more problems on solving mixture problems now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.